welcome back to our channel. So as promised, today is the unboxing and revealing of the official new Black Beauty Essential faith-based shirts available at teesprings.com. So okay, I'm excited. Okay, so we're gonna start here. All right, so first I'll show you the shirts and what they look like, and then I'll try them on to give you a more realistic view. Okay, so okay. I feel like it's Christmas. Okay, this one, okay, oh, I love it. So this is my Chase God Not Clout shirt. This is a long tee. Oh, it feels so great. Okay, let me back up some. All right, Chase God Not Clout. Okay, then I love a good hoodie. Here is my Jesus Got the Juice. It says don't chase clout because King Jesus got the juice. I love this. Oh, it feels great. Nice quality. I see that. Okay. Then what we have here. Now this is a nice t-shirt. This is my Jesus Is Pressure shirt. Okay, and then I'm gonna break down pressure for you. So, Jesus is Prince of Peace, Righteous One, Elect of God, Spiritual Rock, Savior, Undefiled, Redeemer, Everlasting Father. Whew. Okay, first of all, I ain't gonna shout on here. But yes, I love this shirt. And as you can see, going down this way, it spells pressure. But, so let's get into it. So I'm gonna try this one on over the shirt I have on, just to show you. Right, it's a nice, comfy shirt. I have room. It comes down well over my hips. Now I did order a 2X just because I like my stuff to hang low and have some room. So here is the don't chase clout because King Jesus got the juice. I love my cross. Right, so get up, show you. It's comfy. I still have on my other shirt. It comes down over my hips. Again, this is a 2X. I believe this is the zip hoodie. I don't know why it's called that, but it doesn't have any zippers. But yeah, it's really nice. Feels good quality. It's nice and warm, not too bulky. Get into it, girl. Your girl thinks she look good in red, so let's see. Hood does good. Okay, I'm gonna stop doing that. All right. Don't chase clout. In the crown it says cuz, which signifies king. Jesus got the juice. So get into it. Get you one today, girl. Or sir. It's for everybody. All right, next shirt. All right, and the final style of shirt is Chase God Not Clout. This is my long tee. This is very warm. Nice roomy sleeves. As you can see, it's pretty big on me up top, but it does come down over my hips, and which is always a struggle. So I like that all of the items, the t-shirt, the hoodie, and the long tee are roomy for those of us women who may have a little extra going on down there, or if you just like your stuff big. So yes, I'm so excited. Now, this is probably one of my favorite designs because we should always be chasing God. But every last style comes in an array of different colors, different sizes. So hey, you may love the Chase Got Not Clout design, but you don't like purple. Purple's my favorite color. I believe there's like 11 different colors that this shirt comes in. And the great thing about the Chase Got, there are some leggings that are super dope that goes very well with this design. You can do it with a half hoodie, a full hoodie, a t-shirt, whatever, climate you're in right now. The leggings look absolutely amazing. But they don't come in your girl size. They only go up to an extra large, which is why I don't have them on. But I definitely suggest combining the shirt and or hoodie with those leggings. It's fine, okay? But thank you guys for watching with me. Like I said, I wanted to actually unbox it and show you what it is that we have to offer. And I suggest the holiday season is coming up. Run, not walk, to my Teesprings account. The link will be shared with this video, where you can just go do your little holiday shopping, get your Jesus apparel, right? Because we not only want them in our heart, we can wear them on our heart, cross our chest, and let everybody in the world know that we're chasing the Lord. So thank you guys, as always, for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share with your friends and family so we can have more people in our community. All right, loves. Talk to you soon.